Hi guys, I'll be unboxing sticky rolls with me. It's so big, guys. Can I really open it? I just noticed at the back. Oh my gosh, baliktad. I cannot see to you. Oh my god. What the hell? I need more girl power! Oh, I think I'm dumb. Just gonna take off this sticker rolls. Oh shit. I hope it doesn't fall. Because if it fell, then I'm gonna cry.
I'll help you.
No worse. I just realized that I have scissors.
Be careful, others move circles will fall.
More girl power. Guys, look at the box. This is almost the size of my tablet right now, or a Nintendo. There. There's a plastic. Open. Whoa, there's also a collection. Ma, there's a collection na. There's a collection. Jingle bells. Sticker rolls. Cool. Here and share. Wow, thank you. Very impressive.
That's where you put it.
This is the collection. My god. Yeah, I can have a collection. There's a collection. Oh, there's a lot of pages, Ma.
You like it?
Yeah. Mama, when you call Tita Carol, I will say thank you. Oh, you can make. You can make. You can make the sticky rolls. That's all for today, and I hope you have a great day and Merry Christmas. So, bye-bye.